Great memories don't just happen during the day. But how can you capture those precious moments at night in full color 2K? Introducing Duovox Mate Pro, the world's most advanced AI-powered night vision camera. Equipped with Sony's groundbreaking bionic STARVIS 2 night vision sensor, Duovox Mate Pro captures night as if it were day. Shoot real-time video with unparalleled clarity in true color 2K and 30 frames per second with 1,000 times less light than is possible with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Duovox Mate Pro leaves all other night mode cameras in the dust. Now anyone can become a professional nighttime filmmaker without the need of expensive equipment. Whether you're in the depths of a dark cave or having an urban nighttime adventure, Duovox turns pitch darkness into an impressive day-like image. Camping, hiking, boating, or fishing, Duovox's ultra-fast f/0.9 aperture, 16mm 7-element lens, and AI-powered bionic sensor capture a clear image in 100,000 times less than the light of a single candle. Duovox's built-in security features and dashcam capabilities also make it a perfect surveillance device, keeping you and your loved ones safe. Video streaming, vlogging, or shooting your own nighttime documentaries in the wild from the palm of your hand without the need of a crew or heavy equipment. The possibilities are endless. Capture the unseen world with Duovox Mate Pro. Live now on Kickstarter.